Hi, this is Galanda Brooker, a ClickUp implementation consultant at Tuck Consulting Group. Today, we're going to go over how to navigate using your favorites. How do I find the things that are most important to me or that I want to use often? Well, you can use favorites. By default, your favorites will appear in your left navigation pane. So if you come over here to the right, you'll see your favorites here. If you left click on the favorites, it will show you the items that you have already favored. Now, if you don't have any yet, it's easy to create them. So let's just go into my user space one-on-one. Oh, don't have any tasks there. Let's see. Let's find another. We'll call this task and multiple lists. Let's say I want to use this as one of my favorites. I can come all the way to the right here, left click the three ellipses, say add to, and add to favorites. Once I do that, it then shows up in my favorites list over here on the left. Now, if you're not a left navigation pane person and you'd like a little more real estate, you can pin your favorites to the top as well. In the same section, if you go to the right, it looks like a little push pin. Left click it, and your favorites will then appear at the top of your screen. And this is no matter where you are in your workspace. So if I'm in my docs, I can still see my favorites at the top. If I'm in a particular space, I can still see my documents at the top. Even if I collapse my left navigation pane, I can still see my favorites across the top. So this is for the things that you might use daily or even weekly for quick access. If you decide that you don't want to keep your favorites in the top navigation pane, it's really simple to remove. You go all the way to the right, left click the little push pin, and I'm going to expand my left navigation pane, and I can see that the favorites appear back here. All right, and that's how you use favorites. Thanks for taking the time to learn how to navigate with favorites. To get more tips about ClickUp and how your company can use it to improve your project management and operations, visit tuckconsultinggroup.com/ClickUp.